Hello and welcome to Think Money Smart. This is a brand new channel which is to help you be better and smarter and wiser with money. Look after your money and it will look after you. My mission is, because there's a lot of people out there who are just not that good at managing the money. Are your expenses higher than your income? Are you struggling to make ends meet? Our really goal is to make you get the best value out of your money. I've got lots of little tips that can help you put your income higher than your expenses, but it does take some little life changes and thinking about how you spend your money, being a bit more careful. The reason I believe I am qualified for this, I've been an entrepreneur for the last 17 years. I quit my job at 30-year-old, but it started at 18-year-old when I worked in the supermarket. I never had a particularly great skill or a great income, but I made a plan when I was 21 to really be very, very careful with my money. And I learned a lot in that period. And by the time I was 30, I was able to leave my job and work from home. And since then, that's 17 years ago, I've got a lot of experience to kind of give a lot of tips, because I know there's just a lot of people who are they're just struggling with money, and just really struggling. And I want to help you. It's not just get money, spend it on this, spend it on that, there's ways to make a plan, be a bit more careful now, so you've got more money for later on. A lot of people just spend on impulse. They're buying things more expensive than they need to. If you're kind of struggling to make ends meet, you could be borderline be in debt. I've never been in debt, actually. I'm not qualified to advise to get you out of debt, but I'm definitely qualified. I'm really good at keeping you out of debt because I've kept myself out of debt. What I believe my strength is personal finance, managing my personal finance and getting the actual most out of the money. If this sounds good to you and you want to balance your books so it's in your favor and not out of your favor, then consider subscribing to this channel, because I'm going to be giving lots of money tips. We're not about getting rich quick. We're not about investing money at this point. In the future, we can head towards a direction of investing money. But right now, our goal is to get the foundations right for our personal finance. These tips could possibly help you keep out of debt, or if you're slightly in debt, I believe they will get you out of debt. But you have to stick with these methods for a good while. So please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you again soon in the next videos.